Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with my December weekly. And I realized I didn't do last week's video. So you're going to get 2 weeks in a row. Okay? We are going to start with the December 6th. And Serena's gift was the guitar, some erasers, and Frankenstein's socks. And I just put a picture of it, wrote about it. And then, of course, St. Nick came to Nana and Papa's. And the kids opening their gifts on December 7th. And, of course, I took pictures. I got the little wooden gnomes from Sabrina. I took pictures of them before and after. And I wrote about that. And I just got a little paper clip to keep them in. Because I really wanted this day focused on the grandkids. Why is this not? There we go. I was like, why isn't this focusing? There we go. That's better. And then we go to December 8th. And Coda spent the night with me. And he did an ornament. And he did his headbands. So I took pictures of that and wrote about Coda spending the night. And that day I got the truck and some gnome ornaments from Sabrina. And that wrote about the sleepover and wrote about the gift from Sabrina. And then on December 9th, Sabrina gave me gnomes that she created with the Dollar Tree gnomes. And I have this gnome image. And then I made this sign. It says Christmas with my gnomies. And each corner is a grandchild. I did that on the 9th. Then we go to the 10th. And Riley spent the night, or no, we had the 10th. It was Riley's band concert. And this is her program. And I kept it from her school. And Allie Cat plays, I keep forgetting, so Allie plays, hang on, the trumpet. And these are extra pictures I have tucked in here from the concert. And I wrote about it. And then Sabrina got me the fall oven mitts with the truck in a cup. So that was kind of cool. And that's the 10th. And then on the 11th, Riley spent the night with Nana. And Sabrina got me the little snow globe Christmas from the Dollar Tree. And Riley was creative. She was in the craft room just creating away. She did some ornaments for Double G. She did this little Bo Peep. And you just stuck the puffballs on it. And then she's all proud that she can write her name. So she was writing. So I kept them. Got them tucked right there. That was the 11th. Then on the 12th, because she was, all of a sudden, she was fine all day. And then when it came to realizing she was spending the night, she got scared. And I wrote about getting scared. And how her elves and the kids' elf showed up. And her elf wrote her a letter. So we kept that. And then I got it's actually for cake decorating. But I thought mixed media. And so Sabrina gave me them for Christmas. I've been asking for them. I laugh because some gifts that have been, like, I asked her to pick this up. I've been waiting for her to tell me and tell me how much I owe her, and she hasn't. Well, they're showing up in my gift exchange, so that was pretty nice of her to do that. So, and we got Riley's elves got Riley named her elf Riley. She got in a fingernail polish. Allie's elf got in a Papa's coffee, and Coda's elf is climbing my little Christmas tree. So get that there. And then on the 13th, it's another gift opening from Sabrina. I haven't did much, so I just kind of put in what I received from Sabrina. You know, I didn't go anywhere, did the typical housework, so nothing, not that Sabrina's gifts aren't standing out, but other than, having Sabrina gift opening, I didn't have much to journal about other than the gift openings. So she got me a Bob Ross puzzle, which was awesome, and some stickers. And then I decorated the page. And then on the 14th, I got this cool Autumn Acres Pumpkin Patch apple cider sign. I tell you, she's hooking me up for next fall decorating. And I laugh. It's so funny. I asked Sabrina to pick up these tea lights for me, the ones that change colors. And she never said it. I don't even know if she mentioned that she found them or not. But guess what? She got them for me. Sassy girl. And that is on the 15th. And then on the 16th, Riley was here. She wanted to open a present with me. So I let her open day 16. And I was out of glue sticks, small glue sticks, this size. The tinier ones. I had some big ones, so it's not like I was totally out of glue. I just prefer using the little ones in the littler gun. And so Riley opened the box. It was a Christmas box with a red pickup truck, and inside it was glue sticks. I'm like, how does she know this? That's just weird. And then on the 17th, I laughed because I bought her a gnome cup. She bought me a gnome cup. She opened hers earlier this week, and I opened mine later. So I got a picture of the gnome cup and just like a little decoration. And then on the 18th, I got Nomi stuffed animals. And I decided I should have did this and saved some space. I could have did like day 16 and day 17 like I did this one. I did day 18 and 19 on the same page. Because on these days that I really didn't have a lot going on, I could have did that and it would have been fine. But on day 18, I got the little Nomiga stuffies, I call them. And then on day 19, I got some socks that have gnomes on from Sabrina. So that was cute. And then we go to this weekend. We are actually on the 19th yet. It's about almost 9 o'clock here. I had the Nana Papa sleepover with the Grands at Diamond's house where we do the PJ exchange each year. Usually what we do is we draw names and we go buy pajamas for that person. This year, due to the fact that COVID hit the family, we decided just to do Christmas PJs of the past because usually they're those funny onesies. Like I got, let's see, we got the American or Christmas Story of the giant bunny suit. We got a moose. We got a turkey. We got Olaf. We got a pig with a ballerina skirt. We got a monkey. I mean, they're funnies. So what we did is we did Christmas PJs of the past. I mean, we only wear them that one night, so we put them in a Rubbermaid. So this year we're gonna do this. Like next year we're gonna actually go buy, and the following year we're gonna do, or every couple of years we're gonna do PJs of the past. So what started the night is the kids decorated cookies. I wasn't there for this because we had some packages arriving from Amazon because I was supposed to be out at Diamonds by like 1 o'clock. But we had Amazon packages, and the time kept on changing all day. So instead of running out to Diamonds and then running back in for the packages, we waited. And we had to go get Leah at work for 5 anyways. So we would have had to come back in town. So me and Scott stayed in town, waited for Amazon, and we were about to leave to go to the grocery store, pick up what I needed to pick up for Diamond's house, go pick up So-So, and then come back and see the packages. Well, Amazon delivered right as me and Scott were ready to leave. So that was lucky. And then so we went and got Leah, and then we came to Diamonds. And how we did the PJs this year, as Diamond bought a bunch of the same colored bags from the Dollar Tree, red, and she put them in there, and you didn't know, like she said, she don't remember what she put in each bag because that's why she did them all red. And we put everybody's names in a cup, and they drew. Even the kids got to wear them this year. It was funny. You'll see a picture here in a second. And you picked the name. Coda started it. He picked the name, and I think it was Anna. So then Anna picked, and then it went down. The person that picked the next person. And then you just picked the bag, and what you got in the bag is what you wore, no matter what it was. Except for Sam. He had to switch out. We have 2 elf costumes or pajamas from the Elf movie. One bigger, one smaller. One Scott's, one Sam's. Well, Diamond packed Scott's in a bag, which didn't fit Sam. Matter of fact, Sam ended up being the only one that ended up wearing the same PJs from last year, this year. And that was out. So he's just swapped that out. And then, here we go. And I did a little pocket because there's so many pictures. I kind of wrote about it. We got the doggies with their sweaters. That is Athena. There's Riley. She fell asleep. And there's Riley awake. It's kind of dark. Here's me with the kids. Here's Athena. Here's Zeus. Or no, maybe that's both of them. Yep, that's Athena. There's Zeus. They have their Christmas sweaters on. This is all of us just chilling in the living room. I hope you just saw them. I don't know. There's me. I got the s'mores one this year. And that's Sozalia. Fell asleep on the couch. There's Coda Bear wearing. He got the bunny. Scott got the monkey. Allie got the moose. This picture's turned out real dark, so they're hard to see. And this is just Riley. And then Coda sleeping. And there's all the kids bundled up on the floor with me. And then there's the guys in the kitchen. They're Dimey. And there's me and Allie sleeping. So we had a good time. I laughed because I really can't stand the actor Will Ferrell or Will Farrell. So Diamond loves Elf. It's one of her favorite movies. She has to watch it every year. So I compromise. No Home Alone. I'll sit through Elf. So we watched the classic cartoons like Santa Claus is Coming to Town, Frosty the Snowman, you know, all the old classics. Charlie Brown first, and then we moved into the other Christmas movies. And we watched one, oh God, I can't remember the name of it, but it has Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he goes all town looking for this action figure. We watched that one, and then we were going to watch Elf, and I'm like, wait, mine's before Elf, that was the deal. And she's like, what? I said I would sit through Elf if you sat through Christmas Carol. Well, I wanted the old one with George S. Scott. Well, it kind of got the kids Coda scared. He was the only one up. So I turned that off. We put Elf in, and I'm like, good time for me to take a nap. And Diamond's like, what? So we're in the garage. And I'm like, yep, time for me to take a nap while Elf is on. And she goes, oh, thanks, Mom. You know, guess what? She's the one that fell asleep during Elf. I was the last person standing. I watched Elf, I watched The Christmas Carol, and I watched A Wonderful Life. Everybody else fell asleep. Then we came, and then we had breakfast with cinnamon raisin biscuits, bacon, bourbon bacon, and peppercorn bacon. Real good bacon up at a local store. We get it for, it's kind of pricey, so we kind of get it twice a year. The sleepover, and then the Christmas morning breakfast. So, as I say, so then Leah had to be to work for 1 o'clock, so we just stuck around until we could take Leah back in town with us. Dropped her off at work. I came home and took a nap, and I woke up at 5 o'clock. So I took a 4-hour nap. But that was my week from the 6th to the 19th, guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying your holiday season. Last week, guys, of Christmas. He come down the chimney on Friday. Can you believe it? December's almost done. It's like, wow. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.